Hello, everyone, and peace of Christ to all of you. Today, we will share a short video as a news. I know it's not the time really I do my broadcast, but I wanted to share this short video with everybody. And please download the video after it's finished and share it with your friends. It's a kind of a comedy. We always explain why Islam is not a valid religion. Islam is not only make you, a person who like to do violence and teach hate, and Islam teaches stupidity, and today is an example of the stupidity of Islam. In the front of me, this is the news. This is the same news, you can find it anywhere, but for me, I'm reading it from RT, Russia Today. It says in Arabic that Kuwait, and here they mean the government of Kuwait, in the city of Kuwait, they close a 3D printing company. Why? Because it is haram, for they are making statues, and this is against Islam. I mean, have you ever heard of a stupid religion more than this is stupid religion? Have you ever, can you imagine more stupid cult than this cult? Look how silly and look how false they are. Every house in Kuwait, including the one who they made jihad, guys, they made jihad against this company. Thousands and thousands, hundreds of thousands of Twitters, etc. Close it. Allahu Akbar. It's haram. It's haram. Allahu Akbar. This is disgusting. Okay, hold on. Muhammad said, anyone who make pictures, he will end in hell. So how come this one only make you upset? Every one of you, you idiot liars, have a passport, have a picture, have an ID, and your government print them, and your government make them. So how the government who make ID with pictures, and now they are against 3D? What is the difference between 3D printing and a picture? Oh no, it is like a statues, but Muhammad never said such a thing. Muhammad, he said, if you make just a picture, you are going to go to hellfire. Muhammad is trying to copy from the Old Testament, where the Old Testament says, make no images for what is above in heaven or down on earth. But the Old Testament is not speaking about this. The Old Testament is speaking about not to worship them. It's not about not to make images. It's not to make image to worship. The Abdul and Muhammad, because this cult is based on stupidity, they said, okay, the prophet, he forbid us from having pictures, so how we can allow the 3D printing? But as you see, every painter will go to hell. In Arabic, everyone who make pictures, not painter really, musawwir, everyone who make images, he will go to hell. And this is all over Muhammad talk. Whoever made pictures in the day of resurrection, even there's a hadith that says that Allah will bring him the images which he made by himself, and he will ask him to breathe into it to make it alive. Look at this joke. I mean, look at this stupidity. In the year 2018, there is a human being, he believe that if you use a 3D printing or you print, it is haram. The hypocrite, every house in Kuwait, it's a villa, they have a big screen TV, they watch porn channels. Just go there and see what they have. I mean, this is the most hypocrite culture and religion ever you can imagine. In the month of Ramadan, you find nobody in Kuwait. Everybody go to Thailand, everybody go to Philippines, everybody is a sex tourist, or to Albosnia. And now a poor guy, he opened a 3D printer company in Kuwait. The whole nation went in chaos. How dare you? Allahu Akbar. Allahu Akbar. How you do that? How you do that? Huh? How dare you to do that? You know? And look, the head of the city council, he's saying we were able to close the store which was printing 3D printing. We are not going to allow such a thing which is forbidden, muharramat, which means forbidden by Allah, in the country. It is not allowed as described by the religious men. And this is the Twitter. Asnamun fil Kuwait. Snamun, idols in Kuwait, brother. Idols, idols, idols. And this is the idiot. The guy who's in charge of the city hall. I mean, how you can make a country out of such a country? You see, the American, they went in war with Saddam Hussein and they freed the country and nothing changed. You know, those people, all the money they have, nothing changed. All the money, small country is not even 200,000 population. How those people they can even be exist in the world today? What is their place? And if you ask yourself why Islamic country is beyond in everything or behind in everything, this is why. It's Islamic countries, it's Islam. Wherever this cult goes, everything go wrong. Stupidity is intelligence. And now the poor guy who opened this company, he looked like he is the devil. He might even, God knows, they might even put him in jail, or they might even those savage kill him because he is bringing idols to the country, brother. I mean, can you imagine? Look at the tweet in over Twitter. Asnamun fil Kuwait. Idols in Kuwait. What a man. Idol in Kuwait. 3D printing is an idol in Kuwait, and the whole nation of Kuwait is against it. They are not against the Kuwaiti going and bringing sex slaves to work as servants, supposedly. I can show you the video of a Muslim Kuwaiti woman. She's advising Muslim Kuwaiti men to go and buy some slaves. Go and buy some slaves from Bosnia, from etc. Buy them. Halal. A woman, and nobody go against her. But the printing, 3D printing, is an idol worshipping in Islam. This is what about the 3D, the 4D Kaaba you have, you liars? What about the black stone you kiss? Is it 3D or 4D? You kiss stones. And now a guy, he is not printing idols. Who is the one who's worshiping those toys? You come to his store, he make if you want a picture for you, he will take like 4D pictures for you, and then he print it, he give it to you. This is what he do. That's it. What is the idols? It's not even used for a scientific thing. It's just like for fun. Stupidity. Aren't you Muslims the one who go and kiss black stones? Go around the Kaaba, which is nothing but a bathroom? Everything in your religion is based on idols. Isn't it the black stone an idol, or what it is? Why you think it's holy? A stone. It's a stone. So I wanted to share this video with you, and please feel free to download the video after we finish, load it everywhere, and show everybody why Islam cannot, and it's not fit for today the same as it was not fit for before. And this is the great example. You know, the Muslim, they say to you, oh, in the history of Islam we have a great scientist. My friend, all the scientists they are proud about today, they were killed or tortured, or they run to their life and they've been accused to be atheist. This is the hypocrisy of Muslims. Imagine if somebody, he is a Muslim, he want to make a printer in the year 2018, 3D printer, they will kill him. So how they say to us we have scientists, They say to us, we have Ibn Sina, we have Al-Razi, go and check their history. They were accused to be atheists. Many of them get killed. Most of them get killed, tortured and killed, slaughtered for being scientists. In 20, 30 years from now, the Muslim, they will say the founder of Apple was a great Muslim and he used to pray 5 times a day. But the guy is not a Muslim. We will make him a Muslim. The one who there is a captain, his name Captain Cousteau. I used to watch him when he was a kid. After the guy he died, they say he converted to Islam. Anyone he could die, he converted to Islam after he died. I will not be surprised if they say Christian Prince converted to Islam 5 seconds before he died. I mean, actually, I just received in Facebook, a Muslim guy sending me a page says the Pope of the Catholic was arrested for a child molestation. I said to them, I never saw people, a nation of fake news as Islam. Same time, if he did that, he will be the same as your prophet, who is the first child molester. Aren't you ashamed even to speak about child molestation when your prophet himself did marry a child at the age of 6, which is 5 in our calendar? Hypocrisy, lies, fictions, stupidity is the true nature of this cult. I don't want to stay long, guys. Here, just share this video with your friends, and don't forget to remember that everything have a reason, and the reason of stupidity in the case of Islamic countries is Islam. Belief have an impact in everything, can change you either for good or for bad. But I don't see any positive, not a single positive thing in this cult. While the world is getting busy to go around, to they are today I saw a video made by Muslims saying, look, there is a missile is trying to escape the earth and the roof, which is protected by Allah, as the Quran says, stop it from going through. What a fiction story. So what is the satellite and what is those missiles they are going up out of the space? just to defend the stupidity in the Quran, they fabricate. They got a part from a movie, fiction movie, and they say this is a real missile trying to escape, but Allah, he forced it to get down to the earth because you cannot escape the earth, because the Quran says Allah, he made the earth a protected roof, which is a genie cannot get out, not a missile, you idiot. Your God Allah, he never thought of a human being will go. He said a genie and a human being, and the human being, they left the zone of the earth long time ago, exposing your God for his false fiction stories. So thank you guys for being here. May the Lord bless you. Please share the news and share the video, and I will see you soon again. Christ is Lord. Islam is stupid, made by a stupid, for anyone who wish to like to be a stupid. And if you wish to like to be a stupid, it's your choice. Thank you very much, and God bless. Take care.